Why do I clap? Why do I jazz hands? Okay. Hey guys, Dream Melody here. Why do I say that? Anyways, hi guys. Dream Melody here. Or, hey guys, Dream Melody here. Today we're going to do eyebrows. I figured this is most talked about, highly requested amongst everyone. And I don't know about you guys, but if my eyebrows aren't right, then the face ain't right. Might as well just throw the whole face away. Get the eyebrows together. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do one eyebrow using Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, dip brow pomade in dark brown, and then I'm going to do the other eyebrow using the brow pencil. And so to show you the flexibility that you can use either one, it's just based on preference and easeability and how much time do you have. Because if I'm in a rush and I need to hurry up and get out the door, but I need to at minimum have my eyebrows done, then I go to the pencil. If I have time to sit there for a couple of minutes and really carve them out and conceal and all that other stuff, then I'll use the pomade. So enough babbling, let's get right to it. Again, the right eyebrow is going to be the pomade and the left eyebrow is going to be the pencil. So we take the pomade. This is in dark brown. If you need to, the pomade over time can get what's already thick, but it can get thicker, trust me. You can use like one drop, and I mean one drop. I'm not talking a full drop that you would normally use, but just one teensy weensy drop of eye drops. Pour it in here, mix it around with the end of a brush, and then it's, I guess the consistency is back together, and it's a little bit, you can work with it a little bit better. I'm going to use a flat angle brush to carve it out, and I dip it like twice on each side because I'm heavy-handed and I'm excessive. And usually I have too much, but I haven't learned my lesson yet. I don't have no water. Babe, yeah, dude. Can you do me a favor? What's that? Can you bring me a bottle of water? Yeah. Please. Thank you. Yeah. And my eyebrows need to be done. It's not a game. I need to get them threaded, but until then, we're gonna fake it till we make it. So I brush through them first. Can you guys see? And I outline the eyebrow first. Towards the front of the brow, I lighten up on my hand because I want a very light carve out towards the front of the brow, and then the rest of the brow, I just full heavy hand. Can you tell? So for the top, I start right here and then carve it out that way. I don't want to go all the way in because I want it to look as natural as possible, and I feel like that might be too much for me for my eyebrow. So that eyebrow's done. And so for the left eyebrow, left, you're right, I'm going to use the brow pencil in ebony. And then I would just apply, oh, let's just do it. Let's just do it while we're here. I'm going to apply some concealer underneath. Oh, how did I forget? I use the Anastasia tinted brow gel to lock these brows in place, because listen, that wind blow and so does the brow hair. Falling all out my carved line and everything, being disrespectful. So I use this, and I also use, but I ran out of it. I need to get some more of the, I think this is Rimmel Brow This Way clear gel. That's also really good. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something new today. And don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button down below. And I'll see you in my next video. I don't know if it's going to be a makeup video, or how I edit my photos, or how do I create graphics. I don't know. I told you I'm getting a schedule together, but I don't have it together yet, but it's coming. So see you later, guys. Thanks for watching.